I just want to know, everybody is talking about inventory and there is a problem. Nobody is talking about the back-end process, the buying process of inventory. So there is a long lead time for 6 months or 7 months time to deliver the product on the floor. So what exactly you guys are doing to reduce that so that mind to market can be implemented? Let's say 30 days, within 30 days. So that is the key factor to correct your fashionability and sellability and inventory. That's my opinion. But what exactly you guys are doing? If you can say something about that.
With us, with Killer, because as I said that we are a fast fashion brand. Our industry responds little in advance. We book 6 months before the actual garment is hitting the shelf. So in January, we book for Durga Puja, we book for Diwali season, we book for AW season, autumn winter. Keeping that in mind, there are tools available called OMS, Order Management System. In that part, starting from your sales forecasting, your buying plan, your actual buying, your order validation, your order punching into the logic, your on time in full delivery percentage, because every state respond in a different pattern. Every state has its order expiry date attached to it. Durga Puja is the last date for Kolkata season, for example. In North, people talk about Diwali. So OMS is the solution. As a brand, what we do, we showcase our range 6 months in advance, so that the fabric buying team gets a sufficient time for lead. The OMS team, the outsourced merchandising team gets a sufficient time for the procurement. So it's a tool available, and of course, then you align your future season orders along with your current inventory on shelf and marrying it with your projected sale. So there are tools available. In our industry, this is the way we are addressing. But even after that, when we are booking 6 months in advance, you will see some surprises, some new patterns coming in, some new fits coming in, some new colors coming in. Then you have to feed that requirement by flash range. That what we call internally a capsule range.